We'll continue with more strong verbs. Okay, we'll do some more. Now we will go into D. Let's see, letter D, how many words we have here. Dig. The first present one we have here is a dig. You're digging up your garden, dig. I dug my garden. In the past and participle, it is dug, both, dig, dug, dug. Both, all three, both these are same. You dig the garden, you dug. I dug the garden last night or yesterday, whatever. Do. You must do your work. So, I do my work. I did my work. Do, did. And the done. I have done my work. Do. I'm doing my work. I did my work. I have done my work. Next is draw. You draw a picture. I drew the picture. I have drawn. Finished drawing. So, draw. You draw something. In the past, you drew something. And you finished drawing, drawn. You have drawn the picture. You drawn the figure, whatever. You drink water. You drink milk. I drink water. I drank water. I have drunk the milk, whatever, drink. So, drink. You drink some juice, something, drunk. Finish drinking. That means drunk. You drink, you drank, and you drunk. Okay? You drink, you drank, and then you finished. So, drink, drank, drunk. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Drew, draw, drew, drawn. Drink, drank, drunk. Now we go into, let's see, one more word here. Drive. You have drive. Drive. When you say you are driving, you drive, drove, drove, driven, driven. You know, to drive the car, you have drove the car. Yes, I have driven the car. Driven, drive, drove, driven. Now we go into letter E. Let's see how many. In letter E, let's see how many words we have here. Not many, just a single one. Eat. You eat your food. I ate. Here there's a little eat, ate. I ate my food. I have eaten my food. Eat, ate, eaten. Next, in letter F, let's see how many words we have here. And the first word we have here is fall, fell, fallen. The baby had a fall. You change the A and then you have baby, you say the baby fell. A becomes the baby, fall, fell, fallen. In the past you have fallen. Baby had fallen yesterday or last night. Fight. You fight with your friend. Fight. You fought. And again past, it is fought. Fight, fought and fought. Fight. You fight in the battle. The soldiers fight. The soldiers fought. They fought the battle and in the past participle also fought. In the past and past participle both same. Fight, fought, fought. Okay. Now, find. Another word is find. You find something on the ground. You found something. You find, found. Find, found. You found the book lost or purse lost. Find, found. In the past participle, also the same word found. Okay. Then you fling. You're so tired, you're so angry. You come home and you fling your shoes or fling your bag. Then in the past you say flung, and in the past participle also flung. So fling, flung, and the past participle also flung. Fling and flung. Let's look at what we have done. We have done some strong verbs in 3 forms: present, past, past participle. In D we have dig, dug, dug, do, did, done, draw, drew, drawn, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven. In E we have eat, ate, eaten. In F category we have fall, fell, fallen, fight, fought, fought, find, found, found, fling, flung, flung. We have more to study the strong verbs and the 3 forms in it.